good morning! Isang napakagandang umaga. Buenos dias, bom dia, and guten morgen, bonjour, calamera. This is John Mugs, your German brownie, and welcome back to Tanungan with Juan. So this is now the part 2 of my Skilled Immigration Act video series. Wow, kung makaseries, akala mo Netflix. Now, in the previous video, we talked about the recognition process, okay? This time, we will be talking about EU Blue Card and family reunification, okay? So, with the current law, okay, before it was reform, okay, before the reform or the changes were approved, for an EU Blue Card holder, it is mandatory to have at least, if I'm not mistaken, 58,400 euros salary every year, okay, yearly salary, brutto, gross, okay, so that was the requirement. But with the reform will be, will be changing this salary threshold. So from 58,400 euros, if I remember the numbers right, it's gonna be between 39 and 48,000 euros na. Yes, you heard me right. If your salary is with this range, then you can apply for EU Blue Card. If you are curious about EU Blue Card, then check my video about the EU Blue Card holder, okay? So this is one of the changes. This is one of the changes that this Skilled Immigration Act, the reform of the Skilled Immigration Act would benefit you. So now, next question would be the family reunification visa. We all know that the family reunification visa or the family reunion visa is exclusively, to some extent, only for your spouse or for your kids, okay? I mean, not for some extent, but that's it. Family reunion visa is para lang sa iyong mga asawa, live-in partner, or kids, no? For some cases, they would allow parents to be here, no? But then you need to prove that the parents is like this and like that. There's another paragraph in the Aufenthaltsgesetz of Germany, or the residence law of Germany regarding bringing your parents here. But with these new changes in the Skilled Immigration Act, okay, if you are coming next year, let's say end or mid next year, there is a huge possibility that you can also bring your parents with you and live with you here in Germany, not only for 90 days, not only for 6 months, but for a longer time period, okay? So this is what the news outlets were saying, and they were saying that their source is from the Ministry of Interior, okay? So let's see if this will be really implemented. But you know what, I'm looking, I'm a bit skeptical with these changes, because if you bring your parents here, you need to make sure that your parents a Krankenversicherung or health insurance. You need to provide to that, because your parents, okay, will not be able to work anymore if, one, they don't know the language, two, they're already old, and I don't know if they're healthy or not. But, well, if they're healthy, then perfect. If they're still young, then perfect. But these are the things, the preconditions that you have to put in mind, and that was also being asked by the German authorities, that you need to be able to support your parents' cost of living here in Germany. So that means, space, okay, or like, again, the insurance and whatsoever. But if you are earning well, and if you are happily single, with no proper commitment, so why not? No, baka kaya. So that's gonna be happening next year, okay? So maybe you're asking, John, Do you know when this law will be implemented, or when will be the changes be implemented? Based on what I have read online, it's not yet final, but this is what the news outlets have been talking about. The new changes, or the changes of this law, will be implemented on 1st of March 2024. Yes, you have heard me right. If you are arriving in Germany on the 21st or sometime after March 1st of 2024, then you might be able to petition and bring your parents or parents-in-law here in Germany. That's it for now. This is your John Mugs, your German Brownie, and I would like to say thank you for staying until this last minute or last second of this video. I will do my best to provide you more informative and fun videos that you can benefit from. So, once again, maraming salamat po. This is John Mugs, your German Brownie, and this is Kwentuhan with Juan. Till next time.